Welcome to our detailed YouTube video review of the ChenTing Electric Scooter CT-01, an exceptional electric scooter designed for both urban mobility and outdoor off-road adventures. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore all the features and specifications that make the CT-01 one of the best electric scooter of 2023. Let's start with the heart of the CT-01, the motor options. You have the choice between a 600W brushless single motor, perfect for efficient urban commuting, or an impressive 800W*2 dual motor configuration for those seeking thrilling off-road adventures. With either option, the CT-01 delivers powerful acceleration and smooth performance. Powering the CT-01 has a range of battery options. Choose from 15Ah, 20Ah, or 23Ah capacities, depending on your desired range and riding endurance. These high-quality Li batteries ensure long-lasting performance, allowing you to embark on extended journeys without worrying about running out of power. The CT-01 features a robust and lightweight aluminum alloy frame, providing strength and durability while keeping the overall weight manageable. This allows for easy maneuverability and portability when you need to carry or store the scooter. Control and monitor your ride effortlessly with the CT-01's LED display and thumb accelerator. The LED display provides real-time information on speed, battery level, and other vital details, allowing you to stay informed during your rides. The thumb accelerator offers precise control, enabling seamless acceleration and deceleration for a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. The CT-01 is built for versatility, making it suitable for both urban environments and outdoor off-road adventures. Its front and rear hydraulic suspension system provides exceptional shock absorption, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrains. The 11-inch vacuum tires offer excellent traction and stability, allowing you to conquer various surfaces with ease. Safety is paramount, and the CT-01 takes it seriously. Equipped with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, this scooter offers reliable and responsive braking performance, ensuring precise and controlled stops whenever needed. Whether you're riding at high speeds or navigating through crowded urban areas, you can trust in the CT-01's braking capabilities. The CT-01 is designed with enhanced visibility in mind. It features a comprehensive lighting system, including LED headlights, side lights, rear light, and turn signal lights. These ensure your presence is noticed by other road users, even in low-light conditions, increasing your safety during rides. The CT-01 comes with an IP54 waterproof rating, providing protection against dust and light rain. This makes it suitable for various weather conditions, allowing you to ride with confidence. Whether you're commuting through urban streets or embarking on outdoor off-road adventures, the CT-01 is designed to handle it all. In summary, the ChenTing Electric Scooter CT-01 combines power, versatility, and safety features that make it one of the best electric scooter of 2023. With options for both urban commuting and off-road exploration, it offers a thrilling and efficient mode of transportation.